In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Jira error message that says something went wrong. This is a very common issue in Jira software, especially when you're trying to load boards, calendars, backlogs, or perform certain actions, and suddenly Jira just fails without a clear explanation. The good news is that in most cases, this error can be fixed in just a few minutes using simple steps. I'll walk you through each solution step by step so you can get back to work quickly. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Jira and software troubleshooting guides. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you should always try is a simple refresh and retry. When Jira shows the something went wrong error, it can often be caused by a temporary loading issue or a short network interruption. Just refresh the page in your browser and wait for it to fully reload. After the refresh, try performing the same action again, whether that's opening a board, switching views, or loading the calendar. In many cases, this alone fixes the problem instantly. If refreshing doesn't solve it, move on to the next step. Step 2 is to try Jira in an Incognito window or a different browser. Sometimes this error is caused by browser extensions, cached files, or cookies interfering with Jira. Open an Incognito or private window in your browser, then log into Jira from there and try accessing the same page again. If it works in Incognito mode, that usually means the issue is related to your browser data or an extension. You can also try a completely different browser, like switching from Chrome to Edge or Firefox, to confirm whether the problem is browser-specific. Step 3 is to log out of Jira and log back in. This might sound basic, but it's very effective. Click on your profile icon, log out of your Atlassian account completely, then close the browser tab. Open a new tab, go back to Jira, and sign in again. This refreshes your session and can fix authentication or permission glitches that cause the something went wrong error. Once you're logged back in, try opening the board or page that was failing before. Step 4 is to check the Atlassian status page. Sometimes the problem isn't on your side at all. Atlassian services occasionally experience outages or partial disruptions that can cause Jira to behave unexpectedly. Open a new tab and search for Atlassian status, then check the current status of Jira software. If there's an ongoing incident or degraded performance reported, the best thing to do is wait until Atlassian resolves it. In that case, no local fix will fully solve the issue until the service is stable again. Step 5 is to try a lighter action inside Jira. If the error appears when you're doing something heavy, like loading a large board, opening a calendar with many issues, or performing bulk actions, try a simpler task first. For example, open a smaller project, switch to a different board, or view a single issue instead of a full backlog. This can help Jira load properly and sometimes clears the error when you return to the original action afterward. If you've gone through all these steps and the error still appears, it's likely related to account permissions, project configuration, or a deeper Jira issue that may require admin access or Atlassian support. But in most everyday cases, one of these fixes will resolve the something went wrong error quickly. And that's it. You now know several proven ways to fix the Jira error something went wrong and get back to managing your projects without frustration. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Jira tips, fixes, and easy software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.